radio didn't go off.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County and east central New York, northeastern Warren County and east central New York until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hague, or 12 miles northwest of Fairhaven, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Putnam and Wright by 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Roehampton by 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hampton Flats by 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If on or near the northern end of Lake George, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Don't be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at tlb.report@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US Nation Service.albany.gova. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Warren, and Washington. The National